That was an ordeal. I didn't think I'd ever get this thing bound this morning. Walked myself through every little bind in this Radio Master until it finally did. Gosh, there's 20 minutes I'll never get back. Well, anyway, it's Thursday. What are you going to do? You're going to have another cup of coffee. But first, let's see. This is a drone. We start like drones. And then we take off like a heli. The grind. That same old grind, huh? MD, how you doing, honey? Where you been? Let's see. Let's have a look out there and see how bad the winds are today. Not too bad so far. Ooh, picking up the sun there. That's nice. See that red and white in the sun. Coast Guard heli. Not the eclipse. It's a total eclipse of the heli. Oh, we lost one. What a shame. What a great song. Total eclipse of the heart. We were falling in love, now we're only falling apart. I don't know the words. I know total eclipse of the heart. I know the hook. That's it. That was a great song. I hummed it. Complications of surgery, huh? I only trust Pierce and Honeycutt with my surgery. Good morning, kitty. Did you get some food? Hi, kitty. It's a birdie. Ooh, skills. A back end job. Look at that, huh? This one's backing up too. Hey. It's a little windy. Windy bitty VC. Oh, yeah. Wow. Pouring down the street here. Pouring, man. Feel it? So I guess I'm not going to the church today. Okay. Double-digit winds. Schwalbe abides. Well, let's see. Another hot one, but we're starting to get some rain in the forecast, so that's good. I need to maybe break out of these high 90s. Gosh, I woke up this morning and it was warmer outside than it was in the house before the sun came up. Whew. Yeah. Practically Bullhead City. When I was in college, I was with a girlfriend, and we had a camp out for a whole week on Lake Mojave, which is not too far from Bullhead City. That's right down in there in that lower Arizona, Nevada, California area. It was a fun week. Just went to an island out there and camped in a tent for a week. What I liked about it was that in Nevada, we went for lunch, get pizza, and then went to Nevada. Drinking age in Nevada then was 18. California was 21. I'd never been able to drink in public. I had ordered a beer with my pizza. Beginning of the end? Maybe so. Begin the begin. Let's see, what do we got going on today? Man, I finally got some new windshield wipers for the truck. The old ones are past their prime. There's another thing that's changed with cars. It used to be you could just get the rubber and replace that, and it was cheap as hell. And also you didn't throw away all this stuff every time. Well, now you gotta throw away all this stuff. It's all disposable. Well, you can buy that rubber by the foot now, I understand, so that's probably what I'll do next time. I was able to find the OEM Trico wiper blades, complete set with the holders and everything, but I need to take care of those because now it looks like those kind of wiper blades are going to be a thing from collectibles, so they'll cost as much as the new stuff does. Which doesn't work on those arms. I'd have to change out the wiper arms to use the new style blades. You know, that makes me wonder if I'll ever be unable to buy replacement steel beams for it. And I've got a tool from the 80s that you placed on front of it, on front of the seal beam, on the 3 contact points that you can use to aim the headlights. It's just a cool little toy. You lay it down on the ground next to the front wheel, you get the level set, and then you place that, once it's set, you place it on the lamp and match the level. If it's not, you just turn the screw until it is. Dead perfect every time. Hey, a lot of talk online about some Chinese mini truck that people are thrilled with that you can't bring into this country. We're so free. We're so free. You can't import that. That's better than anything we can make here. What are you thinking? We don't have the skills to make that. Oh, Americans only want to buy really big fat gas guzzlers, so we don't want to bring those into the country. Well, they're unsafe, that's it, yeah. It's a safety issue. Yeah. What chance do I have in my BMW against a Humvee? Safety issue. We all supposed to drive Hummers? Is that it? If we all drove tiny cars, it wouldn't be a safety issue. Oh. Yeah, so I was not expecting the issue with the windshield wipers. That's a new one on me. I thought those would be around forever. I slathered them with silicone to try to protect them. Keep them from rotting out prematurely. They all die right at the pivot point. Pivot! Pivot! Well, I gotta do a speed run for Gretchen. Gretchen's going back to the Canada visit, it sounds like. Dale, you got 4 coming your way? 4? Zoom, zoom. 4 minutes. 4? What a fun little chop. What a grinder. Finest grind. Total eclipse of the heart. Oh crap, I can see that's going to be all day, huh? Vlad. He's deuced fine. Maybe I can find something else to substitute. Great film. I watched a really fun film with Ryan Gosling called Project Hail Mary. Very cute. Loved it. I had to pause it within the first 10 minutes. I was cracking up. He killed me with that one line. Operation, go home. Fun stuff. Yeah. Oh man. This is fun stuff. I'm so glad to see it finally bound. I was going to have to dig out one of those dozen or so RC-era radios that I have downstairs in a pile. Trying to figure out what to do with those. Christmas ornaments, but I don't put up a tree. effect, but it's still on its own. Yeah. Drifting in the wind. Yeah. Ground effect holding it up. Wow. Nothing at all. I haven't touched those sticks. It's just sitting there baking. Wow. Will it land? 2 minutes left. All right, I'm bringing it up. Here we go. Wow. Drone. The Droney McDrone face. You can't do that with the Eclipse. That's the totally Eclipse of the heart. Oh, Helly. I see that old Platinum guy dropped out. The dim establishment pushed him out. They don't want to win. They want to stand on principle and lose. They think that there are rules in this knife fight. There are no rules. It's a knife fight. But that woman on CBS with 3 names really looks vindicated. She looks really thrilled that her story got him kicked out of the race. Man, oh man. She's practically doing a victory lap right on screen. It's amazing. Is that because she has 3 names? I don't know. But you'll never mistake her for someone who only has 2 names. 9. And that was it. Dropped in, nose in, just pretty as you please. What do you think about that, huh? Okay, I like it. Cheers.